I'm going to do today, I'm going to teach you how to do an intuition spell. Now, this intuition spell is going to really help anyone that is trying to make a decision or make any sort of life-changing alterations to their life. This will just help you stay on the right track and also just help you align with the ideal outcome that you're trying to focus on. This spell can be done by beginners, so it really doesn't matter what you specialize in, and also it's going to be using very basic ingredients that anyone can really use.